Hey guys, so I've got this 2019 Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the trip button to bring it to odometer. Then we're going to turn the ignition off. Hold this trip button right here and then turn the ignition back on. So I'm going to hold the trip button. Turn the ignition on. You should see this display right there. You see those dots counting down at the bottom. When it shows zeros, that means the light's been reset. So to confirm, we're going to turn the ignition off, turn it back on, start the vehicle. And no display of malfunction. So that was it. That's all you need to reset the maintenance required on this vehicle. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching the video.